I am back. So, today I am going to discuss a pretty nice topic. So, I hope you're ready because it's going to be a short audio and might as well make a fun time out of it while learning. Yes, of course. So, here we are. We are going to talk about flowers, and we're going to discuss like three or so questions, and I'm going to give you a fact. So let's go. So I'm going to ask you, why are some flowers very colorful? Let's see about that. A flower is the means by which a plant reproduces. It contains male or female organs or both together. Well, that's not new actually. It was in the 6th grade science textbook in NCRT. Yeah, so flowers usually have brightly colored petals or sepals. Sepals. Wow. The reason that flowers are so brightly colored and perfumed is to attract insects. Insects play a very important part in pollinating them. So yeah, that's like the way of flowers spreading their community. Okay, that was off topic. I don't know. Some plants also produce a sugary liquid called nectar, which attracts the bees. As they fly from flower to flower, they transfer the pollen to the stigma of the flower and fertilize it. So that was their way of doing a sexual reproduction. Why do the leaves of the Victoria amazonica float on water? Victoria amazonica is found in its natural state in the forests of Amazon. The leaves of the plant are especially peculiar as they grow up to a size of 2 to 3 meters in diameter. That's quite big, actually. Although delicate, the leaves can support a weight up to 32 kgs if distributed evenly on its surface. Yeah, that's nice. It's strong then. The leaves have a ribbed underside that is anchored by a submerged stalk. The underside has a very detailed nexus of spiny veins that originate from the stalk and grow out towards the rim. These veins meet in concentric circles and support the structure of the leaf. Air gets trapped in the pockets between the ribs of the underside and make the leaves float easily on water. So, like, if you're under the weight of 30 and you can learn to distribute yourself evenly, you can sleep on a leaf. That's interesting. Why are there so many flower shapes? The reason that flowers come in so many different shapes and colors is to help ensure that they are fertilized. Flowers that rely on insects for pollination must make sure that the insect is carrying pollen from the same kind of plant. The shape of the flower ensures that only certain kinds of insect can pollinate it. Flat flowers such as daisies and sunflowers can be visited by hoverflies and some bees. Flowers that are formed into tubes only attract insects that have long tongues. Wow, long tongues can really become useful for them, right? As we're done with the questions, now let's see about a fact. Bees are attracted to the color and the scent of a flower. They feed on the nectar in the flower and gather pollen, which they store in sacs on their legs. So we're done with 3 questions discussed and answered and a fact. And yes, we're done for today. And if you want some more information on topics like these, just take a look at the book called Tell Me Why, the revised and updated version, because it's a good book and it helps me too. So thank you guys for watching this audio, and I hope we meet soon again. Bye.